How to view your Zelle activity on Bank of America app. Hi everybody, if you're wanting to view your Zelle activity, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can open up the Bank of America app. You can use your user ID and password in order to log in. Once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface on your screen where you will be viewing your balance and everything. So what you need to do is, from the dashboard in the bottom, you should be finding an option that says transfer Zelle. Right beside the account, you can tap on it. Once tapped on it, you should be finding this on your section. So in order to view the activity, you can find this option on your screen easily, which is called activity right under the request. You can tap on it. Once tapped on it, you will be finding the history of your activity right here. And yeah, that's it. That is how you basically view your activity on Bank of America app. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.